It's your boy Pablo Escobar. Don't ask me why I look like this. I tried robbing a bank and El Chapo beat my ass. But today we are making cinnamon French toast, cinnamon toast crunch, French toast, cinnamon toast crunch. There we go. You already know what the hell this is. This is Cooking with Jay, the cooking show where I get cooked. I cook shit and y'all cook with me. I don't tell y'all how to cook. But I'm gonna start right now. Let's go. And if I start bleeding, don't worry about it. Don't fucking worry about it, okay? So to explain to everyone why I said I was making French toast, cinnamon toast crunch, French toast, cinnamon toast crunch, French toast, is because what I'm doing is I'm blending up these. I'm putting the egg wash. Well, no, I'm putting the French toast in the egg wash and then putting them in those and then cooking them. So yeah, that's what we're doing. All right, so we got our egg wash and our seasoning, topping, whatever the fuck we calling that. So now we just gotta make our French toast. And no, I'm not telling you how or showing you. We're cutting to when it's fucking done. You know me. Let's smoke. Boom, they're done. They should essentially look like giant cinnamon crumb cakes. No, we're gonna get high one last time and then try these shit. I didn't already try it. You didn't see that. I did a fantastic job. 10 out of 10.